Hello everyone, I'm Anirudh and this is Enriched. We are working on food 3D printing for personalized nutrition. Nutrition is very personal and everyone has different nutritional requirements depending on their medical history and their preferences. But in a hospital or care facility, these differences are life and death extreme. But the facilities are limited to the standard meal options that they can provide. This leads to suboptimal nutrition, causing medical complications. But with current technology, it's logistically and economically infeasible to provide individual level personalization. It would be great if we could just integrate nutritional optimization in the care for the highest risk patients. Depending on the level of risk and type of patient, we could produce better health outcomes at lower overall cost, literally doing more with less. So how does food 3D printing fit in? You take an ingredient, make it into a base and extrude it out layer by layer to make 3D shapes. When you do that with multiple extruders, you control the amount of every ingredient. So you get personalized nutrition according to every individual's requirement. That's the nutritional optimization we mentioned earlier. And because it's 3D printed, the same optimized meal can be in any shape or format you prefer based on convenience or preference. We are making an industrial machine for mass production so that personalized nutrition is available and affordable for everyone. This is the main solution for the care facilities. You create personalized profiles for every patient. We make meal plan programs accordingly and produce the food base, stock up the printers, then a centralized manufacturing facility with many food 3D printers produce personalized meals for every individual. These meals are then post-processed by heating or cooling as the case may be, and then sent to the right customers. Compared to our competition, say traditional catering, we have individual level personalization. Compared to most other food 3D printers, we have more materials, larger scale, and personalized nutrition algorithms developed with the hospitals. Compared to the supplement printers, we produce full meals instead of small tablets, and we use healthy natural ingredients instead of extracts or chemicals. This makes Enriched especially well suited for our main application of personalized meal programs. Speaking of which, our main revenue stream would be the subscription for these meal programs, but we can also rent or sell the printers or have subscription for the food-based recipes or the geometries or consultation to develop new food-based recipes or new geometries. These are all the different market segments that we are looking into. All of these are multi-billion-dollar market segments, and the same underlying technology is applicable to all simultaneously. This makes it a robust investment, resilient amid market fluctuations because of the diversification. This is our 5-year commercialization plan, starting off with one-off printer sales and one manufacturing facility. We establish the main applications in Singapore first, and then expand those applications internationally. Then we go into more complicated applications and eventually make 3D printed food mainstream so that personalized nutrition is available and affordable for everyone. This is the team. We have already collaborated with the Allspice Institute for developing the food base and food safety approvals. Most of the research is done at NTU University with the help of all of these institutions. These are all the customers that have already given us letters of intent, especially these two hospitals that have given LOIs even amid the pandemic, showing how urgent and important this application is. Surveying the general public, we find that most people understand the importance of personalization when it comes to nutrition. And most people surveyed are willing to try out 3D printed food. The market is ready for this. We are raising 75,000 Singapore dollars by issuing convertible note. This is how we intend to use those funds. Thank you. Please check out our social media channels, our YouTube channel, our main website. Enriched is ushering in a new age of how we consume food. The future of food is 3D printed. Thank you.